County, northeastern Wilson County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dorchester near Nashville to near Wilson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
I'm so busy trying to work on the other videos.
Radar indicated. Impact,
I'm doing
hail
this
damage
because
to vehicles is expected.
the weather is on my hands on the antenna so they can work better.
Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Tarboro, Nashville, Elm City, Dorchester, Red Oak, Sharpsburg, Pinetops, McCleesfield, and Leggett. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter
You
inside
too?
strong buildings.
Alright, let's go.
Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County, southwestern Randolph County,
They're different
until 4:15 p.m.
again.
At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over High Rock Lake, or 11
Both
miles
of these
east of
alerts
Salisbury,
are not
moving east
PDSs.
at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to
Now we're
roofs,
having a
siding,
day-long
and trees.
slight convective risk.
Locations impacted include Denton, Eula, High Rock Boat Dock Marina, North Carolina Wildlife Access Boat Launch, High Rock Lake Marina and Campground, Martha, High Rock Lake and High Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Davidson and Randolph. The National Weather